Hi guys, are you ready to learn some English? Let's go. Today we have another story. Savannah goes to dance class. Let's learn English with Savannah as she goes to ballet class. Savannah is a little girl who loves to dance. Savannah loves to dance. Savannah is a little girl who loves to dance. Every Saturday, Savannah goes to ballet class. Every Saturday, here's the days of the week, and on Saturday, she always goes to ballet class. Every Saturday, Savannah goes to ballet class. She wears a pink leotard, ballet shoes, and puts her hair in a bun. She wears a pink leotard, ballet shoes, and puts her hair up in a bun. I'm ready, she says. She says, I'm ready. Her mom drives her to the dance studio. Her mom drives her to the dance studio. Her mom drives her to the dance studio. Savannah jumps out of the car and runs inside. Bye, Mom, says Savannah. Savannah says, Bye, Mom. She opens the door and sees her friends. She opens the door and she sees her friends. She opens the door and sees her friends. Hi, Mia. Hi, Emma, she says. Savannah says, Hi, Mia. Hi, Emma, to her friends. Miss Lily, the teacher, claps her hands. Miss Lily, the teacher, claps her hands. Miss Lily, the teacher, claps her hands. Time to dance, she says. The teacher says, Time to dance. First, they stretch. Savannah touches her toes. Then she reaches her arms up high. Savannah touches her toes. Then she reaches her arms up high. Reaches her arms up high. Savannah touches her toes. Then she reaches her arms up high. Next, they practice ballet moves. Savannah twirls, jumps, and points her toes. Savannah twirls, she jumps, and she points her toes. Savannah twirls, jumps, and points her toes. Great job, Savannah, says Miss Lily. Miss Lily, the teacher, says, Great job, Savannah. Savannah feels happy. She feels happy. At the end of class, the girls bow and everybody claps. At the end of class, the girls bow and everybody claps. At the end of class, the girls bow and everybody claps. Savannah hugs her friends goodbye. She gives them hugs to say goodbye. Savannah hugs her friends goodbye. See you next week, she says. Savannah says, See you next week. On the way home, she daydreamed about her next ballet class. Her mom is driving her home, and she's daydreaming about her next ballet class. On the way home, she daydreamed about her next ballet class.